All right, it's Friday morning, rise and shine. Coffee's been brewed, time to get after it. Here is the quick and dirty. 3 things you need to know before we kick off this trading day. 1, markets are higher 1% heading into the open today. So we are seeing some strength as we finish out this week. That said, you look at yesterday's session, not a lot to write home about. Markets finished relatively flat. We continue to see this battle play out. That battle being on the left, the Federal Reserve and hopes around an economic recovery, and on the right, an uptick in coronavirus cases here in the States as well as overseas that are inserting fears back into the market. Yesterday, no clear winner. However, on the week, certainly the Fed and hopes around a recovery are winning out. So when you look at the Dow heading into today, you look at the Dow Jones, we're up 2% for the week. S&P 500 up 2.4% for the week, and the Nasdaq up 3% for the week. So 4 out of the last 5 trading weeks, we've been higher in these markets again as the economic recovery and hopes around that continue to win out. Jump over into the FX world, we're seeing the alternative. So really this week, for the first time in a while, we're seeing that flight to safety and folks piling into the dollar. You look at some of the high beta currencies, something like the Aussie, and we've talked a lot about this. The Aussie, since those March lows, is up 25%. Most of these currencies have all taken a breather this week, whether it's the pound, the euro, or the Aussie. They've all traded lower. The dollar's traded higher as coronavirus fears and geopolitical tensions are winning out in that FX space. So something to keep an eye on there. And finally, if you're looking for action today, the action is in oil, up 2.5% heading into the open. OPEC meeting this week talks about those production cuts playing out. That's driving the price of oil higher. As we look at it right now, we're at about 39.88 a barrel in WTI. So we're just shy of that strong resistance level of $40 a barrel. Something to keep your eye on there as well. I'll check in with you folks again on Monday. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Stay safe, stay healthy out there, do something nice for someone else this weekend, and most importantly, let's get out and enjoy some of this nice weather. Take care, folks.